How I made this cinematic scene in Blender. So let's get started. So first, add the cube and scale it, then go into the edit mode and then select the face selection and delete one face. After that, add another cube and scale it around x-axis. Now apply the array modifier to the cube and adjust the offsets. And use the count to make stairs and position the stairs. Now select the first cube and add edge loops and delete the new face above the stairs to make a window. Then add your character in the scene and animate the character according to your imagination. In my case, I want the character to look above towards the sun and cover his face with his hands. After animating, add a sunlight outside the cube and point it towards your character through the window. So now, after this, to scatter the light or to create gold rays, add a cube and scale it. Now in the material section, remove the principal BSDF and add principled volume to the output. Then play with the density and anisotropy to get the look you want. Change the sunlight color and you're done.